for ball. Ball, 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 bounce it high, don't let it fall. C is for cat. Cat, cat, lay, soft and furry, imagine that. D is for dog. Go, 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 he loves to run and jump in the fog. E is for elephant. Elephant, big long trunk, so elegant. F is for fish. Fish, swim, 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 swish. G is for goat. Geek, goat, chewing grass on a little boat. H is for hat. Hat, put it on and tip it just like that. I is for igloo. Igloo, cold and white with icy view. J is for jam. Jam, spread it on toast, yummy wham. K is for kite. K, flying high in the bright sunlight. L is for lion. Lion, roar so loud, oh my, he's trying. M is for monkey. Monkey, climbing trees so wild and funky. N is for nose. Nose, he's smelling flowers wherever it goes. O is for octopus. Octopus, 8 long arms, don't make a fuss. P is for pig. Pig, rolls in the mud, doing a jig. Q is for queen. P, rose her crown so bright and clean. R is for rabbit. Rabbit, hops so fast, that's his habit. S is for sun. Sun, shines so bright for everyone. T is for tiger. T, diver, strong and fast, a jungle fighter. U is for umbrella. U, umbrella, keeps us dry, such a fella. V is for violin. V, viola, play a tune, let music begin. W is for box. Sing them high and sing them loud. X is for box. Box, filled with toys and building blocks. Y is for yarn. Yarn, keeps us dry, such a fella. Z is for zebra. Black and white, see you later, bruh.